everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. And today I wanted to give you another tip about Brother Scan and Cut. Whenever you have your negative pieces, you can keep these, and these can make stencils. So like the cross and the leaves and things, and obviously the little girl as well. It's like a cloud and some hearts, but keep these, cut them, use them as stencils. Don't throw them away, because you know me, I like to repurpose, reuse, recycle. So but just think about how many stencils that you could have, even the little birdies and things like that, just for like your art journals and the backgrounds of your Bible journaling and things like that. So don't forget that you can actually use the negatives of your kits as stencils. You can trace them, or you could use them with your inks and things like that. So anyway, I just wanted to have that little tip for you guys today. All right, everyone, happy crafting.